How to customize lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. When you lock your phone, you can see the lock screen clock style at the top left side, date, time. At the bottom, you can see lock screen app shortcut. To customize lock screen, unlock your Samsung device. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left side. Now you can see the lock screen wallpaper from left side. Tap on it. Now here you can see all customization setting, wallpapers, clock style. You can add widget to lock screen, add contact information or any message to lock screen or a lock screen app shortcut. Let's see one by one. In first, tap on a clock style. Here you can see list of different clock style on your device. Also you can change the clock font. Here you can change the clock font of your device like this. So select the clock style, also adjust clock font. Here you can see different clock style. We use third-party application also, so you can find this type of different clock style on your S24 Ultra. Now here we select this. Now change the font. You can also change color like this. Select any color you want to set. Here we customize and set this color. Tap on a done. Now you can see change clock style on your device. In below clock style you can see widget option. Tap on it. Here you can add a widget you want to show on lock screen. Here we select weather option. Tap any. Here we select this. Now you can see add widget to your lock screen. You can also add calendar. Here we add battery status. Now you can see battery status on a lock screen. Now tap on a contact information. Here you can add your name or mobile number so someone contact you if you lost your phone. Now you can see the enter information at the bottom middle. And at the end you can see lock screen shortcut. Tap on a shortcut. Select the shortcut you want to change. If you don't want to use shortcut, choose the no app. Here we select the Amazon. Now you can see set Amazon. Now tap on a right shortcut. You select camera. Now you can see the camera. And the last one is the wallpapers. Tap on a wallpaper. Now select any wallpaper from the list. To choose wallpaper from gallery, tap on a gallery. You can also use wallpaper services to set a dynamic lock screen to automatically change the wallpaper when you lock or unlock your device. Here we select the default graphical wallpaper like this. Now you can see how it looks on your device. You can also change the default feature wallpaper. Here we select this. Now tap on a done at the top right corner. Now changes apply to your lock screen. Now lock your S24 Ultra and you can see all changes on your lock screen. That's it. Please like it, share it.